Hey y'all, Nate here, Nate's Classic Cars. Today we've got a 1968 Shelby GT350 convertible 4-speed. This is number 2653. As you can see, finished in its original color of lime gold, white top, black deluxe interior. Today it is sitting on 10 spokes, Polyglass Goodyear tires. This one right here has been under the same ownership for about the last 35 years. And unfortunately, he passed away and left it to his family. And they decided it needed to go to a better home. So we got it here at Nate's Classic Cars. And we're getting ready to sell it. So as you can see, very nice original body on this one. All original Shelby fiberglass. That includes the nose, the letter panel up front that you can see. Call it the letter panel because it holds the Shelby letters. So the hood, the nose, the Shelby letter panel, the deck lid and the end caps and the side scoops, all original Shelby pieces. Beautiful white top, beautiful lime gold paint. So we'll give you a stroll around this one and let you see it. Original wiper blades, car light, windshield. There's some stuff flying around in the air, so sorry for a little bit of dust on this one in the video. Nice convertible top. As you can see, very beautiful on the outside. Let's take you to the inside. Just as nice on the inside. So like I said, this guy was an MCA judge. Owned the car for 35 years. He is the one that did the restoration on this one. Did a great job with it. Original seats, both front and rear. Original seat belts, both front and rear. That iconic 68 Shelby console, love it or hate it. Original Shelby roll bar or styling bar, as they would like to call it. So I'll hop in, fire this one up, let you guys hear it run, and then we'll take it down the road. All right, we got 2653 fired up. As you can see, very original under the hood. We'll take you a stroll around and let you guys just see how original it is. This is the original carburetor, original distributor, and this is the numbers matching motor. As you can see, original Smog setup on this one. Original shock. Shelby tag. Moco 4-speed radiator. There's that Smog pump functioning. Smog can. As you can see, it runs good. Well, let's hop in it, take it down the road and show you guys just how well it runs. All right, we're in the 68 350 convertible 4-speed. We'll take it down the road and show you guys just how well this one drives. As I tell anybody, 350 4-speeds are some of the best driving cars. They're easy for anybody to get into, take down the road, not have to worry about. They got plenty of pep. Obviously, this one's a J code 302, but plenty of pep under that 302. And on a nice sunny day, there's nothing better than a 350 convertible 4-speed. So we'll show you down the road here, show you how much this one has pep-wise, and just how it handles. As you can see, she'll get up and go. We're running about 55 mile an hour here, and she is smooth sailing. Get a couple downshifts for you. She's smooth through all the gears. We're gonna get this one back to the shop, show you guys underneath, show you. Okay guys, we're back with the 1968 Shelby GT350 convertible. As you can see, extremely well sorted underneath. This one was restored by an MCA judge a few years ago. So you can see extremely well kept throughout his ownership. He actually owned the car for nearly 30 years, actually almost 35 years. And unfortunately he passed away, and we ended up with it after the family decided to move on with it. So we'll take a little stroll around here and show you just how original this one is. Original suspension throughout, original uppers, lowers, coil spring, shocks. It does have paint markings and paint daubs throughout. So very well sorted car. You do see the lime gold oversprays, the correct dolly marks, transmission color codes. See the marks on the tranny. Rear end and the tag. Does have its transverse muffler. Take a step back and kind of show you guys the whole picture of this one again. As you can see, very well sorted and highly detailed underneath. This 350 convertible 4-speed, extremely nice car, ready for a new home. We're happy to have it for sale here at Nate's Classic Cars. Feel free to reach out to us if you'd like to get some more information on it. You can reach out to me personally at the number and the email below in the description, and happy to answer any questions you guys have on it. So again, this one is for sale, $137,500. Buys it. Feel free to reach out. See you guys next time.